Hello, everyone, and wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. So, welcome to this very special Life of Wisdom Waves. I'm Swati Gupta, your host for today's session, and today we are doing something different to lift up the spirit of Christmas. Now, Christmas is a time of giving. So, whether it's love, joy, beautiful gifts, whatever. But today I have come up with this special guest of mine, Harshita Singh, who is a financial expert. So we are going to spread the gift of financial wisdom. So imagine if you were on a fun and an excitement of Christmas, we gave our kids the tools how to manage money wisely, make the right decisions, and secure their future. Can it be anything better than this gift? So, thank you so much, Harshita, for accepting our invite and coming to our this special life of Wisdom Waves.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me and having me here, Swati.
So I would first like to tell something amazing things about Harshita. So Harshita is a certified financial planner and an ex-City banker, founder of Dignity Management Private Limited, co-author of Women Mavericks. A mom, a wife, an entrepreneur, Harshita is on a mission to teach what school never did. So, how to manage money wisely, just not for children, but for parents and anybody who wants to learn about managing money. So, after excelling at Citibank, she launched her own investment firm, empowering individuals with smart financial strategies and inspiring families to raise financially savvy kids. Just like tech savvy, we are talking about financially savvy kids. Whether she's not just simplifying finance, she is reading, traveling, and finding creative ways to make money lessons fun for the next generation. So her story is really inspiring, and today she's going to inspire us with her words of wisdom. So grab your pen and paper and take awesome notes, because I know the things what Harshita is going to share with us today is going to be super valuable, and a simple tip can make tremendous magic in your life. So
Thank
thank you
you.
so much, Harshada, for coming and being there. And we so look forward. And I know what do you carry on plate. You have loads of wisdom, but I have chalked down few questions. I know I can't expect to have a lot. Although if I had hours, I could have done that. But in the limited time, I have set up like 5 to 6 questions. So if you don't mind, can I ask those questions
Of
to you
course,
so
of
that?
course. But before we dive into that, I would really like to say that, Swati, you've done a commendable job. I've gone through your Insta page and various sites. And I see that you have also shown so much of impact on parents because, this is something that really we need. We need somebody to guide us through this parents' journey. So I'm really thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to be here with you. So please,
So
please go ahead and ask me anything that you need.
thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you. So let's quickly dive into the questions. So to start off, why do you think teaching kids about money early in life is so important?
See, I have observed this, and studies also proven this that children who are between the age from 2 to 12, this is the
Hmm.
only time when your brain is in the development stage.
Hmm.
So these are the founding years for anybody. So whatever you learn in this particular time is something which
Hmm.
is going to stay with you for a longer period of time, to the
Hmm.
entire life. तो
Yeah.
क्या हमने कभी सोचा है कि हमको स्कूल में शुरुआत में ABCD सिखाया जाता है या 1 2 3 4 सिखाया जाता है और इवन फॉर दैट मैटर आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू योरसेल्फ वुड स्टिल रिमेंबर योर नर्सरी राइम्स लाइक ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार या मछली जल की रानी है इजंट इट
Hmm.
तो
Yeah.
मुझे ये लगता है कि जो हमको अर्ली स्टेज में सिखाया जाता है स्कूल में फ्रॉम द एज 2 to 12 दिस इज समथिंग इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू रिमेन विद अस नाउ यू
Wow.
आल्सो मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व कि हमको ममास जो है घर में कितनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें सिखाती है जैसे कि कि
Hmm.
जल्दी उठना है या ब्रश
Ha.
करना है ट्वाइस ब्रश ट्वाइस अ डे टेक अ बाथ डे
Hmm.
हमको स्कूल भी कहता है व्हेनेवर यू कम टू स्कूल be well dressed, neatly dressed, polish your shoes and everything. So these
Hmm.
are the
Hmm.
hygiene factors जो हम सीखते हैं. अनदर थिंग, अगर आप नोटिस करें तो मम्मा हमको बचपन में हमेशा दूध पीना सिखाती है, फ्रूट्स खाना
Hmm.
सिखाती है, वेजिटेबल्स हो. कोई मम्मा अपने बच्चे को चॉकलेट्स या शुगर से इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कराती है. So these are the
Right.
things that we must inculcate, and that is the reason that things are taught to us at this particular age.
Hmm.
I
Hmm. Hmm.
recently have started observing कि बहुत सारी मम्मास अब अपने बच्चों को ना फोन दे देती है कि and this is something a lot of parents struggle later कि
Yeah.
अच्छा बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा है तो आप मोबाइल दे दीजिए या थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन टाइम दिखा दीजिए and
Hmm.
he
Hmm.
will start eating. So I feel
Right.
this is again a problem. But then इसी
Hmm.
इन छोटी छोटी चीजों की वजह से ना बच्चे बाद में जिद्दी हो जाते हैं लाइफ में. तो
Hmm. Hmm.
आई फील कि दिस शुडंट बी द केस. जितनी अच्छी चीजें हम सिखा सकते हैं इस एज ग्रुप में वो सिखानी चाहिए. एंड
Hmm.
स्वाति, एक और चीज मैंने बहुत नोटिस की है कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को स्विमिंग, स्केटिंग, ड्राइंग, ये सारी बहुत सारे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व कर देते हैं. तो व्हाई डू वी
Hmm.
डू दैट?
Hmm.
of this age are basically like a clean slate. आप जितना उनको सिखाओ या जितना उनको expose करो चीजों से, they will grab everything. And that is one
Correct.
of the prime reasons कि I should not be introduced finance at this age. ये तो फिर उनको
Hmm.
आगे जाके बहुत help करेगा. They will never ever have any problem with their finances in their future life. So that is why
Right.
basic से आप सिखाना start करना चाहिए.
Wow. Wow. That's so amazing. That's so true also, because whatever we are going to teach the children in the earlier foundation years
Hmm.
or maybe middle childhood years, that is going to
Hmm.
help them in future also. So here I'm going to share my example. So even today, like
Hmm.
I'm like what, 38? Now
Hmm.
even today I am scared when it comes to money. I am scared when I have to manage those, mutual funds or probably trading. I always I have hiccups. Why? Because I did not have myself financial literacy at my little age.
Right.
Probably given that I would have had it, because all those things were something we always thought that no, the mama papa ka kaam hai. That
Hmm.
is not our job. Mom, dad are
Correct.
going to do it. They are going to explain it. They are going to do everything. So हमारे लिए कभी वो था ही नहीं. मतलब we never felt it, and I
Absolutely.
feel that missing tile. And
Hmm.
that's why talking to you and listening to you, I realize you're so true. I mean, हमें as little babies, we never got that opportunity because honestly, उस समय कोई बात ही नहीं करता था. Now, given the digital age, given people like you are coming up, wherein you're talking about financial literacy and you feel that is an important subject that the children are supposed to be taught, and that
Absolutely.
will give them extra edge. मतलब they will not be scared like me.
Right.
बिकॉज अगर मेरे अकाउंट में पैसे आते हैं या मुझे किसी से पैसे लेने होते हैं तो इट बिकम्स लाइक अ प्रेशर होल्डर, लाइक अ प्रेशर
Right.
कुकर इन माय ब्रेन, बिकॉज आई नो
Right.
इट इज गोइंग टू बी, आई मीन मेरे को जिटर्स होते हैं, आई फील जिटर्स व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इट, आई थिंक अबाउट इट.
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक यू आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब एंड आई वुड लव दैट चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दिस एज शुड लर्न अबाउट फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी.
करेक्ट, 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 एब्सोल्युटली. हमने भी काफी बार ये देखा होगा कि काफी बार हम पार्टीज में जाते हैं where वी ऑल कीप टॉकिंग एंड देन men
Hmm.
talk about finance and share market and everything, but then women
Hmm.
slowly and gradually she cuts herself out and they form their own group कि हम अपनी बातें करें करके. So we
Right,
want
right.
to empower women to be a part of this conversation. Why not?
Correct, correct, correct,
So
correct.
that is
Absolutely. Because there was a recent research also regarding this. Because now I keep on reading about it. अब खुद ही डर लगता है तो लगता है ना कि बच्चों को सिखाओ. You're
yes,
supposed to teach your children this thing.
correct, correct.
So I was recently reading this research, and it is a very renowned research which says that 88.6% of women are still scared of managing their own finances and they don't manage it.
True, true, true.
That
So
is so humongous. I think that is ridiculous. Why
yeah,
would you do that?
because, women also earn money nowadays. So she knows that okay, पैसा तो आ रहा है, and she knows how to save. The problem is
हाँ,
she doesn't know how to invest it or
yes,
how to move ahead about it or whom to
correct,
talk to. So that is the
correct.
challenge. तो इसीलिए ना जितना जल्दी हम बच्चों को इससे educate करेंगे, it will be better for them.
Wow, right. Absolutely. So, Miko, ye batao now, since we are talking about this very closely, now
Mhm.
tell me how, because see, we parents still feel that either too early to teach the kids about money or they're unsure where to begin. So basically, now beginning nahi pata hai hame, kaise
Mhm.
bolna nahi pata. So, what advice would you give them?
So this is kind of a silent conditioning that we should start doing with our kids since early age.
Hmm.
Here, I'd like to say one good thing that I did was, when I was, expecting, I knew कि अगर मेरा बेटा हुआ तो what name I am going to keep, and for my daughter also I had
Hmm.
saved something. So my son's name is
Right.
Saharsh. And after Saharsh was born, my father-in-law, Saharsh's Dadu, he gave a check to me and said, कि बेटा जब इनका बैंक अकाउंट खुलेगा तो ये पहला चेक आप मेरा डालिएगा इनके बैंक अकाउंट. It was such a
Huh.
brilliant idea. So that is
Huh.
when as a mother I thought, कि यार अगर मैं Saharsh का बैंक अकाउंट डालूंगी, like
Hmm.
once I open his bank account, I would, so he's born on 11th of Feb. So I decided I will, do 11 and the rest zeros करके the first amount I will deposit and the second
Huh.
amount will be given by his dadu. So I thought it is
Huh.
so nice, कि जब भी सहज बड़ा होगा और अपना बैंक स्टेटमेंट देखेगा कि oh, then he'll notice कि okay, mama is the one who's given me 11 and the rest zeros in my account and the other check that I have is from dadu.
Huh. Wow.
ब्यूटीफुल थिंग आई टेल यू कि कितना अच्छा लगता है ना बच्चों को कि अरे मेरा खुद का बैंक अकाउंट है एंड आई हैव अ नेम माय ओन नेम रिटन ऑन द चेक बुक. इट इज वेरी
Hmm.
फैसिनेटिंग. एंड देन यू
Yeah.
कैन ऑल्सो जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो आप हर जगह जब भी जाते हैं तो कोई ना कोई रिलेटिव उनको मनी के लिए पैसा देता है या कि आप बुआ के घर जाते हो तो बुआ निकलते हुए पैसा देती है या मासी के घर जाते हो. So what I started doing initially is I started either doubling the amount if the amount is less और
Wow.
उसको नियरेस्ट जीरो तक लेके आने में एंड देन डिपॉजिटिंग दैट अमाउंट इनटू द
Wow.
चाइल्ड अकाउंट. एंड इट इज सच अ
Mhm.
गुड आइडिया कि कब स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जो पैसा उसके लिए दिया है एक तो वो उसी के नाम पे जा रहा है एंड तब वो
Mhm.
उसके एजुकेशन फंड के लिए हो जाएगा या सीड
Mhm.
मनी इन केस इफ ही वांट्स टू स्टार्ट हिज ओन कंपनी या एनीथिंग इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट आइडिया.
Right.
एंड द चाइल्ड इज
Absolutely.
कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नोस कि अच्छा मेरा भी बैंक अकाउंट है. And for his birthday also, whenever I give him, so now I started writing a check to him rather than giving him cash or toys. I started writing a check for him. कि बेटा आप
Wow.
ये लीजिए, you go to the bank account and deposit. Now come to
हाँ.
that, if you've seen कि जब बच्चे बैंक में जाते हैं, they also like it very much. The bankers are
Obviously.
very the bank. When Sir used
हाँ.
to go to the bank and I used to make him sit and I used to
हाँ.
deposit the amount, कि अच्छा ये दादी ने दिया हुआ पैसा है आप डिपॉजिट कर दीजिए करके. तो
हाँ.
पहली बार जब सहर्ष ने वो किया था तो he said कि ओ मम्मा आंटी तो मेरा पैसा ले लेगी क्या करके. So I thought,
Sweet.
it's like no, this is going in your account only. You just have to give it to her and she will do the rest process. But
Wow.
introduce banking to the kids at as early as you can. I must recommend that every parent must have a minor account for their children. All they need is
Wow.
a Aadhaar card, a birth certificate, and their own
Yeah.
documents. And every bank opens a bank account. And trust me, kids
Nice.
love to see their own name on the check.
Mhm. Mhm.
डेबिट कार्ड तो मोस्टली बैंक्स नहीं अलाउ करता है फॉर माइनर अकाउंट्स बट चेक बुक के
हाँ.
ऊपर अपना नाम देख के किसी को अच्छा क्यों नहीं लगेगा. तो
Absolutely, absolutely. नहीं ये मुझे भी मतलब I remember when we told our daughter, my daughter is going to be 13. So
ओके.
when we told our daughter that you have a bank account and apparently whatever cash you get we deposit it there. So she was like, अच्छा मुझे बताओ कितने पैसे
कितने
हैं.
पैसे होते हैं? I'm very excited to know कि कितना पैसा मेरा जम चुका है अभी. So really
हाँ,
wow.
because that apparently is theirs because they know that ये तो मुझे मिला था
हाँ
मतलब
हाँ
आपने दिया था ठीक है but it's okay
correct.
but the other people have also given but now you've given so now it's mine now it's not your anymore.
Correct, correct, correct. So I remember in search asking me, कि, Mama, why do we have to learn so many spellings about numbers and everything? So then I told him,
हाँ,
कि अरे तुम्हें अगर आगे जाके कोई चेक लिखना होगा तो स्पेलिंग तो लगेगी ना क्योंकि नॉट से कि मैनुअली इतना पैसा दे दो तो कट जाएगा करके. You have to write a check. So उसके लिए तो भी
right.
कम से कम you need to know all the spellings of the numbers and everything. So he is very fitting.
That's lovely. I love that idea although
Hmm.
that because children don't like to learn spelling now they will know अरे यार मेरा पैसा मैं कमाऊंगा going to I would need to know that. So that's awesome. Lovely. I love the idea. I do. I'll try with my son. Although he loves mathematics, but yeah. So, which comes to my second question. A common question parents ask is, what is the right time to start teaching kids about money, saving, investment, and what's your perspective on this?
Okay, so I also get this question very often कि हम कौन सी एज से स्टार्ट करें. सबसे पहले तो आप
Hmm.
माइनर अकाउंट ओपन करिए, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. बट when
Yeah.
it comes to teaching kids, आजकल के बच्चे they are very much exposed at a very early age to financial transactions. जैसे आप बच्चों को मॉल में लेके जाओ, so they understand कि अच्छा ठीक है हमें कोई भी
Hmm.
चीज खरीदनी है, so we'll have to buy it, we have to pay money for it, and then we'll get it. So they understand कि ठीक है या तो आप प्लास्टिक मनी यूज करेंगे, you will use a debit card और क्रेडिट कार्ड, और या आप कैश से पे करेंगे, एंड या तो यूपीआई पेमेंट जीपे कर देंगे या गूगल पे कर देंगे. अगर आप आज बच्चों को कहो ना कि अच्छा मैं पैसा नहीं लेके आई, सो दे नो कि अच्छा ठीक है अरे आप तो फोन से पे कर सकती है. सो दैट इज
Right.
व्हाई दे आर ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू द कांसेप्ट ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शंस. Now, what you
Hmm.
need to teach your kids is, once when they are between the age of 5 to 6, you can tell them
Hmm.
कि ये 20 रुपए का नोट है, ये 10 रुपए का नोट है, this is a 500 rupee note, and you can transact with it.
Okay.
Once they
Okay.
are of the age of 7 to 8, by this time they already know addition and subtraction. So now they need
Hmm.
to gain a little confidence about money. तो आप बच्चे को अलाउ
Hmm.
करिए कि बेटा आप जाइए, एक मैगी का पैकेट लेके आइए या एक चिप्स का पैकेट लेके
Yeah.
आइए, गिव अ 100 rupee note. Once they go to
Hmm.
the shop, they will transact. कि अच्छा ठीक
Hmm.
है अगर मैंने 20 रुपए के चिप्स लिए तो आई नीड टू टेक 80 rupees बैक फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर. So इससे क्या हो जाएगा ना, the child will be very confident about handling money. If they are placing
Yeah.
order, take them to McDonald's and ask them to place an order for themselves. This will
Right.
enhance the knowledge of communication. They will be confident कि वो किसी और stranger से बात कर सकते हैं. They can transact with money. So this is one thing. Another important thing is आजकल with Saharsh, what I do is he has a Wednesday canteen day in his school. So
Okay.
I tell him कि बेटा आप 20 rupees लेके जाइए, whatever you like, you can take it. So he goes to the school, buys whatever he likes and brings the change back. Now I have a
Wow.
piggy bank. So जो
Hmm.
चेंज वाला पैसा आता है ना, वो उस पिगी बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर देता है
Hmm.
कि
Hmm.
ये मेरा बचा हुआ पैसा है, since I'm not going to use it anymore, I save that money. So slowly,
Wow.
and it is very nice, that kids understand कि अच्छा ठीक है पैसा आया भी है तो उसको उनको सेव भी करना है. एक बहुत अच्छी चीज जो मैं सहज के साथ करती हूँ, दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग कोविड में, तो there were no help, no food coming to our house. So I used to do the cooking for the utensils. My husband used to do the utensils, and Saharsh used to clean the house. And then I used to
Wow.
give him some money for that. And so he knows that okay, cleaning is like I'm pro at cleaning. So then,
Right.
अभी I am very lazy in refilling the refrigerator bottles. Summers में तो
Bottle.
सभी को लगती है. तो फिर
Uh,
I told Serge कि Serge आप हमेशा ना bottles जो है refill करके रखिएगा, and I'll give you pocket money for that.
pocket money.
हाँ, तो he is very interested कि अच्छा ठीक है, जैसे ही हमारी बॉटल खाली की पहले जाके वो भर के रख देता है कि देना है. So when you're giving money to the kids, assign a few tasks. जैसे कि कि
Yeah.
आप अपना यूनिफॉर्म एक दिन पहले रेडी करके रखिए रात को, या अपना बैग फिल करके रखिए, अपना रूम
Yeah.
क्लीन रखिए. This also ensures that the kids are very disciplined, and एक
Mm.
रूटीन बन जाता है. Then you don't have to worry because this is something वो हम उनके रूटीन में डाल रहे हैं ना, तो उनको आदत पड़ जाती है. In future life also,
Absolutely.
they will always keep their house clean, or always keep
And
their
it's more
clothes
like an
clean.
allowance for them, na? इनको पैसे मिल रहे हैं, तो it's like an allowance. So it's a
Yes,
continuous reminder that
absolutely.
you're getting it also and you're disciplined also. So
Correct.
मतलब it's a win-win situation.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would like to share a story here. Something that we achieved good in this entire process about pocket money and having a piggy bank at home. So what Saharsh did was, he started saving money in his piggy bank, and then one day he said, कि मम्मा आप ना हर बार मुझको pocket money cash में देती है. You start depositing this into my bank account and start a SIP with it. So I was like, अरे इसको इतना कैसे? But then he said that मैं आपको इतना सुनता हूँ, आप सबसे कहती रहती है कि आप पैसे सिर्फ बचाइए मत, because it is not growing. If you're saving money, it's not growing. But then if you put this into a bank, or if you invest it into a SIP, then the money grows there. So why don't you do the same thing with me? I was very surprised. In this entire process, Saharsh got a bicycle for himself with all his money. जो पैसा
Wow.
दादी दादू देते थे आने जाने में, because we keep
Wow.
going to Lucknow very often. So
हाँ,
Gandhi gives money every single time that Saharsh visits. So ऐसे कर
wow,
करके ना उसने पैसा इकट्ठा भी कर लिया, उसने अपने लिए बाइसिकल भी ले ली. So this was like an achievement for us that he's really smart.
obviously.
So
That's a big achievement, and going forward, I think that you taught two things in that process. You
hmm,
taught him respect also.
yeah,
That you know money का respect कि अब वो अगली बार वो bicycle को इतने प्यार से रखेगा because it's from his
his own
hard
money.
earned
Yes,
money.
yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Right, right.
कोई भी,
Wow.
see, even today we should always teach our kids. See, there is no free lunch. है ना? You
हाँ,
have to work to, you really have to work hard to earn money. So why not tell
absolutely.
them, अभी अगर हम उसको सिर्फ पैसे देते रहे या जो चीज वो मांग रहा है उसको देते रहे,
Hmm.
तो he is
Hmm.
going to think कि अच्छा जो भी हम मांगते हैं हमको मिल जाता है. But it's not that.
Wow.
काफी बार
Hmm.
हमको ऐसा लगता है कि बेटा बेटा कर लीजिए, if you do this then we'll assign a thing for it. So that's a very
Right.
interesting thing. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है
हाँ,
कि ये हम सब as parents को हमको सीखना चाहिए so that we can
करना चाहिए.
adopt that in our lives.
Correct, correct. Wow, that's awesome. So these are like some of the amazing fun
Hmm.
activities. But do you think are there more fun activities which you would like to recommend and which can help children learn financial skills in an engaged way? Like so we have addressed one is like do household chores, accompany it
Hmm.
with allowance kind of a system so
Yes.
that they get more disciplined and they're doing it.
Hmm.
And then their bank account. So are there more fun activities which we can talk about or which you
I think with Search, what I do is so we are like, we both are naughty in a way. So we like to play games and, do fun stuff at home. So what
sure.
we, and like Search and my husband, they are very sporty. So they like to go out and play, but I am an indoor person. I like to sit and, play my own things. So
Hmm.
I like to play bingo and housey. A lot of people call it as housey. So what I do is, we assign a task, कि अगर 4 corners हो गए, so you will receive this particular amount, or एक लड्डू हो गया तो ये particular amount. So this is one thing that I play. There is one very interesting game. इसको बहुत सारे अलग अलग नाम है, जैसे कि मोनोपोली, बिजनेस, शेयर
Ah,
मार्केट और रियल
ah,
एस्टेट. So I got
right.
this game called as real estate. तो इसमें क्या है कि the game is excellent. So उसमें क्या होता है कि there's so इंडिया का मैप है and there are cities. तो उन cities में क्या होता है कि आप बैंक से पैसा लीजिए, then you buy certain lands. फिर उस लैंड
Hmm.
के ऊपर आप इधर यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ होटल, और अगर
Ah,
आपके पास इनफ पैसा नहीं है तो आप बैंक से लोन ले सकते हैं एंड देन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ
ah,
होटल एंड देन उसमें आप रूम्स को रेंट पे दे सकते हैं. तो जब जो रेंट का
ah,
पैसा आता है उसमें से एक कट जो है वो आपको ईएमआई के तौर पे बैंक को देना है एंड द रेस्ट यू कैन कीप फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड देन फॉर इट्स फंक्शनल
wow.
रनिंग. So this is the interesting game that
Ah.
we play. One game that I truly, and I still play, even though Serge is 8 years old, I still play Snakes and Ladder with him. तो स्नेक्स एंड
Okay.
लैडर में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमको ना लाइफ के अप्स एंड डाउन्स सिखाता है कि समटाइम्स देयर आर हाइज इन
Hmm.
लाइफ, so you get to climb the ladder very soon, but sometimes there are snakes who
Right.
bite and you'll have to go back to
True.
zero. And then
Correct.
this is also like a share market. The market is up and market is down. All you need to is have patience so that you will reach your goal in life. And you should stay happy with it. And it is fun also, कि जितने वैसे और जितनी long वो game चलता रहता है, even in case if the snake bites you, but it is fun. You have to
Yeah.
converse so much with the child. And काफी सारी स्कूल की बातें पता चलती है कि अच्छा देखिए जब आप खेल ही रहे हो, so that is there. And
Ah.
somebody who is of a lesser age, like younger
Hmm.
age,
Hmm.
one game that I used to play with Saharsh was Pretend Game. I think 3 से 4 साल के जो बच्चे वो Pretend Game बहुत ज्यादा enjoy करते हैं. So we had
Hmm. Correct.
living room where we have sofas and everything. So what Saharsh used to do is he used to put his toys, कि कुछ cars रख
Ah.
दिए, biscuits रख दिए, chips रख दिए, मैगी
Ah.
रख दिया, या थोड़ा राशन का सामान रख दिया, पोहा, मूंगफली वगैरह सब कुछ रख दिया. He used to
Ah.
create an aisle like this, like a store, say departmental store. And sofa ke end
Okay.
he used to sit with his counter with table and everything and some cash. And then he used to say, okay, now mama, you take a bag, jhola, and then you go, you shop for things, you come here and I will do your billing and I
Okay.
take money. So this is
Ah. Wow.
something very fun. So this we used to play when he was very small, like 3-4 years. Mein. So this is
Sure.
another interesting thing that I thought, I should share, and somebody who is watching would like to use it.
Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. I think all the ideas are beautiful. I remember playing the business game, and
Hmm.
I learned mortgaging and all that from that business game.
Okay, okay.
Because it had all those, you mortgage your things also, and then you get it rent, then you have
Hmm.
EMI, loan.
Correct,
So all these words and all these things I learned from that game. So
correct.
I whenever you mentioned this, I was like, oh my God, I
हाँ,
played it. Oh, I'm playing with my kids.
correct,
So
correct.
now I'm going to buy so that I can play with my kids.
No, and it is very interesting and बहुत सारे ना अगर आप देखो बच्चों के टॉयज ऐसे होते हैं कि वो हमको रियल लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा रिलेट कर सकते हैं एंड इट मीन्स सो मच एंड
हाँ,
जितना आप नॉर्मली सिखाते रहो बच्चों को या बताते रहो ऐसा नहीं करना है वैसा नहीं करना दे नॉट गोइंग टू लर्न एनीथिंग बट वो
correct.
आपको देख के या खेल खेल में जो आप सिखा सकते हैं ना वो हमेशा लाइफ लॉन्ग उनके
Yeah,
साथ
it's
रहता है
going to be there. Like I still remember playing the business game with my brother. So, matlab, it is like ages now, but I still remember it. I think we played when we were seventh or eighth or ninth, I think,
हम्म
because I think उस समय नया नया आया था, if I
ओके
remember
हाँ
correctly. तो
राइट
गेम ऑफ
राइट
बिजनेस एक बड़ा आता था, गेम ऑफ लाइफ, गेम ऑफ बिजनेस,
यस
और वो एक भाई को मिला था, एक मेरे को मिला था, and that we used to play like a lot.
करेक्ट
So
करेक्ट
that's how, yeah, yeah.
कितना अच्छा है ना बिकॉज इट टीचर्स अस कि अच्छा ठीक है एंड देन अगर आपको याद हो तो वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू डू दिस कि अगर उसके पास
हाँ,
पैसा कम पड़ गया हो तो आप उसको पैसा देते हो और आप कहते हो कि अरे देख मैंने लास्ट गेम में दिया था अब इस बार तुझको चुकाना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा करके सो दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग कि हम ये भी कर सकते हैं
huh, right, right, right. So tell me, like, now I also feel myself when I'm telling you all this, that I used to play in my olden days. So consistency is a very big challenge,
या
because when we talk about, like, I'm doing it today because probably I had a life with you, so I will continue it for like maybe 7 8 days or 10 days, and then I'll take a break, and then I'll continue again. So there's a lot of breakage happening when we do this. So so they might start, like, we teach them financial lessons, and then it's hard to keep it going.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So what tips do you have to stay consistent, or probably so that we keep doing it and we're not breaking the flow of our financial lessons?
Okay. So see, I would really like to say कि Rome was not built in a day. So अगर से अगर आज हम सोचते हैं कि अगर मुझे वजन घटाना है, so then I have
हाँ,
to continuously और consistently work hard towards it. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि आज 1 जनवरी है तो आज तो मैं जिम जाऊंगी ही जाऊंगी एंड देन अगली बार मैं अगले 1 जनवरी को ही आपको जिम में
हाँ,
दिखूंगी. So it's not
correct.
possible. You have to, every single day, you have to wake up and you have to go for a walk, at least complete your 6,000 steps.
हाँ,
And slowly and gradually, आपको अपने अंदर changes नजर आएंगे. अगर आप
हाँ,
सोचते हो कि अच्छा ठीक है मुझे डाइट करना है तो then you have to every day, uh, work hard towards it कि healthy eating. आप ये नहीं कर सकते
right.
कि एक छोटा सा चॉकलेट मैं आज खा लेती हूँ, कल थोड़ा सा गाजर का हलवा खा लेती हूँ. Then it's not going to work. You every day you decide
It's
कि
not.
नहीं यार नहीं करना है. अगर आप ये
हाँ,
सोचते हो कि ठीक है हर मील के साथ मैं स्वीट खाऊं तो तब तो नहीं हो सकता वेट लॉस. So,
हाँ,
and even
हाँ,
for women, I think after 30, mostly every single woman goes into the skincare routine. तो आप एक रात
हाँ,
स्किप करते तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको लगता है कि यार कहीं ऐसा ना हो रिंकल्स वगैरह होने लगे तो इट्स बेटर टू यू कंसिस्टेंटली कीप वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट. दैट इज
correct,
व्हाई आई से
correct. हाँ,
जैसे हम नॉर्मल बजटिंग करते हैं घर की या कोई राशन लेके आना हो तो हम हमेशा लिस्ट लिखते हैं कि कि अच्छा ठीक है
right.
चावल खत्म हो गया है आटा खत्म हो गया है या कोई सब्जी खत्म हो गई है. तो अब तो बच्चे
Hmm.
इतने बड़े हो गए हैं और स्कूल जाते हैं तो आई आस्क सर्च
Correct.
राइट अ लिस्ट कि सर्च आप अपनी लिस्ट लिखिए कि क्या क्या लेके आना है एंड आई गो टू द किचन एंड चेक कि क्या क्या नहीं है एंड देन आई आस्क हिम टू राइट इट कि आप लिखिए सो दैट वी कैन गो टुगेदर एंड ब्रिंग इट और ऑर्डर इट ऑन द फोन. So it's very
Right.
easy that way. And
हाँ,
it's
हाँ,
helping. इससे क्या हो जाता है ना कि बच्चों को ये समझ में आता है कि अच्छा ठीक है बजटिंग कितना नेसेसरी है. जो खत्म होता है
correct.
उसको रिस्टॉक करना है फिर उसके लिए पैसा भी लगता है. फिर हर
हाँ,
महीने जैसे आप जैसे सर्च के साथ हम बैठते हैं कि अरे नहीं यार सर्च आज ना 25th आ गई है सो नाउ वी हैव टू डू द बिलिंग कि सारे
हाँ,
बिल जो है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल आईजीएल
wow.
बिल वी हैव टू पे दैट. सो ही अंडरस्टैंड्स कि अच्छा ठीक है ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे घर में बिजली फ्री आ रही है. सो वो जब
हाँ,
घर से अपनी एक रूम से बाहर निकलता है तो then he knows कि अच्छा ठीक है मुझे स्विच ऑफ करके रखना है लाइट since nobody is using it. So
very
all
nice.
these छोटा छोटा things दे help कि this is important. And I would
Yeah.
also like to say there is this fantastic product called as SIP, Systematic Investment Plans. कि आप अपने बच्चे के लिए इन्वेस्ट करके देखिए या अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट गोल्स आप डिसाइड करिए कि बोले ही बच्चे का एजुकेशन हो या अपना खुद
Hmm.
का रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग हो. Start investing. SIP is something that
Right.
a fixed sum of amount gets debited on a particular date from your account.
Hmm.
So it's a
Okay.
consistent thing that keeps happening. If your
Correct.
goal is also achieved, it doesn't become very burdensome when you have to think for your child's education.
Absolutely.
Say for example, अगर आपकी daughter 3 years की है, you start a
Hmm.
SIP for her for 16,000 rupees on a monthly basis. Within by
Okay.
the time she is 18 years old, you will have 1 crore का corpus for yourself. या अगर
Hmm.
आपका बच्चा like in my case, if Saharsh is like 8 years old, I started a SIP की 39,000 की SIP में start करूँ so that by the time he is 18 years old, I have 1 crore corpus ready for him for his education. और आप
Hmm.
ये भी
Hmm.
चीज ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज यंगर, आई एम सेइंग कि आप 3 years के बच्चे के लिए आप 16,000 स्टार्ट करिए, but then for 8 years I'm saying you have to start with 39,000. So you'll see कि there is a gap कि जितने जल्दी आप शुरू करेंगे then you have to start with a lesser amount. जितना टाइम पीरियड आपका कम होता जाएगा आपका एसआईपी अमाउंट बढ़ता जाएगा. So that is
Yeah.
why it's very important you have a minor account since the beginning. Start investment so that you have a corpus. आगे जाके उसके लिए एजुकेशन के लिए लोन लेना या ये सारी चीजें करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड इवन फॉर वुमेन
Yeah.
ऐसे कि आप हर एवरी पर्सन इज गोइंग टू रिटायर इफ व्हेन वुमेन आर वर्किंग.
Yes.
यू नीड
Absolutely.
मनी व्हेन
Absolutely.
यू ग्रो ओल्ड क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ना
Hmm.
आपके पास उतनी एनर्जी होगी काम करने के लिए. सो आई
Hmm.
से कि आप रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस के लिए तो बहुत ही पहले से शुरू करना चाहिए सिंस द डे यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग. बिकॉज क्या हो जाता है कि हम सोचते हैं कि यार ठीक है आज हमको घर लेना है गाड़ी लेनी है. बहुत सारे लोग ना असेट्स की सोच के लाइबिलिटीज क्रिएट करते रहते हैं एंड दे स्टार्ट
Hmm.
पेइंग ईएमआई. But then by the time they're 50 and 60, they don't have enough money left for their retirement.
Hmm.
ये
Hmm.
सब उल्टा कैलकुलेशन हो जाता है. बाय द वे आपको एजुकेशन के लिए ना लोन मिल जाता है. रिटायरमेंट के लिए नो बैंक हु इज गोइंग टू गिव यू लोन. सो
Obviously, because that is the stuck money. They know that that person is retired. How will he pay
pay
back?
back exactly. So that is why start your financial planning as soon as you start earning. For
Hmm.
education of the child, I say कि आप जब बच्चा छोटा है तभी से आप उसके लिए प्लानिंग करके रखिए. So that
हाँ,
is the
हाँ.
best thing to do.
Wow, wow, wow. तो I remember doing Sukanya Samriddhi. उस
Hmm.
समय just नया नया आया था. My
Hmm.
daughter was I think not even one at that time,
Correct.
and we had done that from the
Beginning.
post office. I feel so happy
Hmm.
because क्या होता है, there's certain things you just do. I mean, the person who was sitting right at the corner, he said, "Oh, this is your daughter.
Yeah.
आप ये समृद्धि नया आया, आप वो क्यों नहीं ले लेते?"
Correct.
And now I feel wow, मतलब वो तो एक हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट हो गई. मतलब it was something like not
Correct.
thought about it, but it just happened, and now we are super happy.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So I think by the time she is, grown up, she probably would have roughly 69 lakhs for herself.
Yes, yes,
Sukanya
yes.
Samriddhi mein one thing that I would really like to add is, कि the interest rate that you get on Sukanya is roughly about 8 to 9%. If your child
Hmm.
is a little older age, then it is better. But then, अगर younger child हो ना, you can look at equity is a better option. कि जहाँ पे ना
हाँ.
आपका इंटरेस्ट जो है वो आपको काफी अच्छा मिल जाता है. द कैपिटल दैट यू अर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज मच बेटर एज कम्पेयर टू सुकन्या समृद्धि.
Okay.
सुकन्या समृद्धि ऑल्सो इज समथिंग दैट वन शुड ऑप्ट इन केस अगर आपका एटीसी का टैक्स का प्लानिंग जो है वो अगर नहीं होता है तो दैट इज व्हेन यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर इट. अदरवाइज इक्विटी इज मच बेटर ऑप्शन.
Okay. Okay. Wow. That was a new insight.
हाँ,
So,
some people don't know. These are very small and
because
basic.
I do not know. That's why we went into it.
Correct. So
But now I'm aware, so at least I can help others also.
yeah, so people who fall under the old tax regime can definitely opt for these Sukanya Samriddhi or
हाँ.
PPF और ये सारी चीजें. But people who have opted for a new regime, उनमें उसको ना deduction कुछ मिलता नहीं है. So then that
हाँ.
is why I say कि it is much better that you go to a equity option जहाँ पे आपको interest भी ज्यादा है and there are no deduction that you are going to get. So
Okay.
that is,
Got it.
I mean, in case if you're thinking about your financial planning, plan it wisely. एक बार आपका टाइम निकल जाता है ना तो यू कैन नॉट गो बैक इन टाइम एंड करेक्ट थिंग्स क्योंकि यू हैव लॉस्ट टाइम एंड टाइम इज वेरी प्रेशियस. So that is
Correct. Correct.
so
Wow. Wow.
definitely give it a thought.
Absolutely, absolutely. Next time we'll not worry about anything. We'll go to Harshita's profile,
Happily.
and we'll keep disturbing
No,
her. So
anytime,
just for
anytime.
everybody who are here, so Harshita does a lot of one-to-ones and a lot of consulting with parents, with other people also. So please go ahead and get in touch with her in case you're looking for any kind of financial advice, any kind of anything you're wanting to start new, whatever related to finances. If you have any queries, questions, please go ahead and get in touch with her. She's the best person, and now you've seen why she's the best. So which finishes our questions.
Okay.
So I would like to have a fun rapid fire, if you don't mind.
Sure, sure.
So I just have just 10 questions, a silly and fun way. Just wanted to know you better, so that we also know the other side of you.
Yes, of course, please tell me.
So one word that describes you.
Vivacious.
Okay. Your go-to comfort food.
I think novel dal chawal.
Dal chawal,
Dal
everybody's, I
chawal,
think.
all time.
A book that changed your life.
Um, okay. This is very difficult. I have three books to name. Okay. So one
Okay.
is Secret, another one is The Power of Subconscious Mind, and the third one is Atomic Habits.
Atomic Habits. Oh, wow. So apparently I have all the three books.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
So that's thanks to my husband, not to me. He's an avid reader, and he loves to buy books, and because of that, that
Yeah.
habit comes.
I love reading. I love reading all sorts of books. I like fiction, and I like all these finance books and everything. So they're really nice. They give you very good insight.
Very good insight. Yes, absolutely. So one person who inspires you.
I think my husband.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I mean he's the reason behind all my success.
Oh, lovely, lovely. That's very sweet. So if you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Lucknow, because my parents live there. So I mean, my parents, as in my in-laws live there, and I mean they are great people. So that is my home.
Oh, lovely. That's so sweet. The first thing you do every morning.
Um, I wake up and I thank God for today.
Okay, lovely. A song that lifts your spirits.
Unstoppable.
Okay, that's my
That is
daughter's
one,
favorite.
and I like Ek Zindagi. You know that Ek Zindagi Meri So far Nishan. So that's a
Oh, lovely.
lovely song.
Right, right, right. So your favorite quote or mantra?
Um, mm, I think I would say live life king size.
Okay, lovely. That's awesome. So one habit you wish you could change.
I don't think I have any bad habits, but no, I don't want to change anything. I'm very happy with myself and whatever I have. No habits I want to change.
Okay, so if not this current career, what you would be doing?
I think I would be a chef in that case.
Oh, you love cooking?
I love cooking.
Oh,
Yeah, I
lovely.
love cooking. I particularly love cooking for my son.
How sweet. That's nice.
I'm
That's
a
lovely.
vegetarian, but just for my husband, I learned how to cook mutton because he's a hardcore non-vegetarian. So I learned
Oh,
cooking the non-veg food just for him, and I ensured that my son also has this habit of having non-veg food. So, and I'm from Lucknow, like my husband's from Lucknow, so Lucknow ka khana to matlab, mashallah. So you must every month you must
biryani.
visit Lucknow.
हाँ. So I am a hardcore vegetarian, so
Okay.
that's why मतलब वो दम वाली बिरयानी आज भी हम लोग वो लखनवी दम बिरयानी I can't forget that flavor. I still can't forget the flavor.
Correct, correct, correct. So next time you come, please visit, and I'll cook food for you also.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, Harshita. That's really very sweet of you. So that was it. I loved your answers, Harshita, and
Thank
thank you
you.
for giving us glimpse of your personality and preferences, and
Thank
really meant a
you.
lot.
Thank you so much. And Swati, I'm so happy that, we did this conversation. So what I would like to say is, say I do a free consultation to all my clients.
Hmm.
But then just
Yes.
for you, what I would do is, if somebody goes and starts following us and DMs me a code sort of Swati123, what we will do is we'll do a free portfolio review in case if you have an existing one, and we'll do
Wow.
necessary changes in case if they are required. So I
Love.
would love to help people sort out their finances. Imagine we could be so much better if we knew and we knew about our finances at an early age. So excellent.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet. So, dear audience, please grab the opportunity. This is a beautiful opportunity which Harshita has. She's been very kind enough to give us this opportunity. Please go ahead and grab it. And thank you so much, Harshita, for sharing your story, your insights, your journey with your own child. And everything was so inspiring. And I felt everything is from, and everything what you said was from your heart. It
Yes,
was not that you just said it for the heck of it. You are living by it every moment with your own child, with your own
yeah,
experiences. And that's why this conversation made it more special, because whatever you said, it came to our heart from your heart.
right.
So thank you so much, everybody, for joining on this
Thank you.
Christmas. And now you know why this Christmas was a gift for you, because I did not want to talk about materialistic gift. This gift of financial wisdom is more special and more important for your child. So make sure that you are making them financially literate. You're talking about finances, saving, investment, charity for that matter, and talk about those things in a very soft manner so that children don't fear from money. Children don't know exactly what to do. When they know exactly what to do from the very basic age, their
Mm,
life is very different.
correct.
So thank you so much, Harshita, for joining in. It really meant a lot. And thank you, everybody, all of you over here, present here. Thank you for joining in. And I am going to put Harshita's ID so that you guys know that if how to connect with her. On Instagram, I'm going to add her as a collaborator, so you will be able to see her on my profile. On YouTube, I will put her link so that you can connect with her. On LinkedIn also, I'm going to put the link so that you can connect with her. So please go ahead, connect with her, grab the opportunity of talking to her, understanding your personal portfolio, other things about finances which
Mm,
you want to share, talk about with your children. Please go ahead and do that. And don't forget to follow us on Wisdom Waves, and make sure that we are coming in the next week, every Wednesday, with some other waves of wisdom for you. So thank you
perfect.
for joining in,
Thank you so
and
much,
Merry
Swati.
Christmas to all of
Yes,
you. Thank you, Harshida. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.